The HTC Uplay packs a 2,500 mAh battery into its 8mm thick body, which is decidedly smaller than most of the competition in its price range, and it shows. We found that the HTC Uplay continually struggled to see out a full day on a single charge, usually requiring an early evening top-up. And with slightly heavier usage, including a couple of hours of simultaneous gaming and Spotify streaming, we found ourselves reaching for the USB-C charger by early afternoon. Even lighter usage appeared to drain the battery quicker than on rival handsets, and while it is possible to eke out a full day, 7 a.m. to around 11 p.m., from a single charge, you'll need to resign yourself to not using the Uplay very much. Running the Techradar battery test, which involves playing a 90-minute full HD video with screen brightness at max and Wi-Fi on, the Uplay lost 30% of its life. That's a pretty weak showing, with the Honor rate losing 20%, the OnePlus 3T 14% and the Moto Z Play just 7% in the same test. In short then, anyone other than a light user will need to carry a charger with them to ensure their HTC Uplay can see them through until bedtime. There are a couple of power-saving modes to help you extend the battery life, with the standard power saver reducing screen brightness, conserving CPU usage and limiting background activity. It can help eke a little more time from your handset, but if you are really desperate you may want to switch to Extreme Saver, which reduces you to just a few core apps for use in emergencies, basically making your smartphone dumb. It's a last resort setting.